Week 3 is conceptualization, operationalization, and measurement, chapter 5, and then how we measure crime specifically, chapter 6. These chapters go together in a way that matters. Chapter 5 gives you the framework, chapter 6 shows you what happens when that framework meets the messy reality of criminal justice data. In the lessons folder, start with week 3 video lecture. After that, take a look at the UCR versus NIBRS comparison. It's not just background information. It's a real example of how measurement decisions made at the institutional level shape what researchers can and cannot know. I've also rebuilt that whole section into a coherent lesson on measurement quality. Read the validity types section carefully because those 6 types will keep appearing for the rest of the semester. There is a full hypothesis testing document in there as well. I know that feels early, but it connects directly to the research questions and hypotheses that you are drafting for your FRP right now. Read it this week. It's not as a statistics lesson, but as a preparation for Reminder 3. In assignments, 20 questions exam, 2 attempts. And then the discussion board. 1 question from chapter 5 and 1 from chapter 6. For chapter 5, if you pick the study hours question, the core issue is the gap between intention and behavior. The question asks whether intending to study is a valid measure of actually studying. Think about that carefully. What would a more valid measure look like, and what would you give up to get it? If you pick the social media and GPA question, I'm looking for you to identify confound variables with specific causal mechanisms. Don't just say there could be other factors. Tell me exactly how a third variable could cause both high friend counts and low GPA simultaneously. For chapter 6, the UCR versus NCVS question is the one I'd steer you toward. It's not about which one is better in the abstract. It's about which one fits your research question and what specific validity problems come with that choice. Be concrete. Reminder 3 for FRP is in the week 3 module and covers research questions, hypotheses, and variables. This is where your proposal starts to take real shape. The hypothesis direction requirement, non-directional for this course, is explained there. Read it before you draft.